Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Can you see? Let's see. All right. Different day, same shirt. I put the same shirt on for the sake of continuity. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Journey with Corinne. I'm Corinne. And in today's video, you're gonna see me go throughout my wash day. Our previous video, you saw me tangle my hair, which is kind of why you see them in the 4 twists right now. I'm going through it one more time before I jump in the shower and get to washing my hair. So enjoy. So what you see me adding to my scalp right here is a scalp scrub. The brand doesn't really matter, but the purpose of this is to just exfoliate and to kind of help lift up all of the dead skin cells and dirt and product buildup that's on my scalp before I shampoo and like wash all of that stuff away. I do want to add that if you decide to use a scalp scrub, you want to make sure that you are being gentle, because whatever they use to exfoliate can be a little bit abrasive, and you don't want to cause any like small microscopic cuts or anything like that on your scalp. So just remember to be gentle if you choose to use one. Can't make you come. Wherever I like, I do. What I got to, I do. 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 So I'm just going through right here, making sure I get all of the scalp scrub rinsed out of my hair. It's a foaming scalp scrub, which is kind of why you see the bubbles and the foam. But I want to make sure that I get all of the little beads out of my hair and off of my scalp before I go in with my shampoo. On to the first shampoo. I go in with a clarifying shampoo to make sure I'm removing all of the gunk and buildup and dead skin cells and oils and butters and all of those things that I have been putting on my hair and my scalp for a while. And the clarifying shampoo is just gonna make sure it goes in and gets all of that out. Yeah. So I just wanted to slow it down here to show you all that I'm not being super rough with my scalp and my scrubber, that I'm actually taking my time to like go through in different sections and get each part of my scalp, and I'm using the rubber bristles, I guess if you want to call them, to like just smooth down my hair as I'm going through.
I so slower. And the beat that's to go. Not say y'all on the stop like that. 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 Like that. Say y'all on the stop like that. Say y'all on the stop like that. Say y'all on the stop like that. Like that.
So you see me here adding conditioner to my hair. I'm mostly concentrating on the mids and the ends, and later on you'll see me comb through the rest of my hair, which will kind of get it all the way up to the roots.
And since I thoroughly detangled before I got into the shower, you know, my detangling brush is going straight through, and I'm not really detangling at this point. I'm really just pulling the product, making sure the product is on all of my strands. My water is heating up. You don't really see no white, and it looks like all my hair has like soaked up the conditioner, which is a good thing. It means I was able to remove all of the buildup and oil and all of that stuff off my hair. So wow, this is gonna be hurry up, baby. This takes forever to get up. Anyway, get this out. This is what this is what my hair is looking like.